Hey guys, DJ here, the ADU Pro at our project on Meads Avenue in the city of Orange. Now, if you recall from my last videos, or for you first time watchers, this is not an ADU. We have done a few ADUs for this client and they asked us to work with their personal residence. So we are doing this extremely large 900 square foot great room addition. Our framing is just about complete. We're doing final touches today. Hopefully we'll be done this afternoon, right, Chewy?
Yes, sir.
There we go. And then we get the electrician in here to get rid of that wiring mess and get this thing pre-wired. I'm also gonna schedule inspection tomorrow for sheet and shear so I can get this thing dried in. So in case it rains, we can put the vapor barrier on the roof and get the roof on this thing. So this is a quick video. 900 square foot room addition, I believe, and with an additional bedroom over here, and then we added a bathroom into the garage. So look at these 22-foot ceilings. Amazing. Guys, any questions about an ADU, not a room addition, please DM us at the link below or give us a call at 800-929-9812, and myself or one of our wonderful staff will be more than happy to answer any questions you have. Guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. DJ, the ADU Pro, out.